In your adult craft kit, you will find string and air-dry clay. Note that the clay in your kit will dry out when exposed to air, so be sure to only take it out of the bag right before you start the craft. You will also need a toothpick, skewer, or unfolded paper clip, and water in a cup or small bowl. You may also wish to have a small cookie cutter or bottle cap and acrylic paint. Now let's get started. First, make sure you have a flat and dry space to work. You can use a plate, a tin baking sheet, or a piece of wax paper as your work surface. Remove the clay from the bag and mold it into a pancake shape, about 1 centimeter thick. You can use your hands, or you can use a pencil as a rolling pin. Use a bottle cap, cookie cutter, or paper roll to cut out a pendant. Alternatively, you can use your fingers to mold the clay into any shape you'd like. A heart, a circle, a square, a teardrop, it's entirely up to you. There's enough clay in each kit for 1 large pendant or 2 smaller ones. It may take a few tries to get to the shape you want. If the clay starts to dry and crack, don't worry, just dip your finger into the water and work the moisture back into the clay. When you're happy with the shape, prepare the surface of the pendant by dipping your finger in water and smoothing out the top of the pendant. Make sure your pinky finger is dry and then press it into the pendant twice to make a heart shape. Use a toothpick, skewer, or unfolded paper clip to make a hole in the top of the pendant. Make sure the hole is large enough for 2 strands of string to pass through. Leave the pendant to dry at room temperature in a dry space for at least 48 hours. The natural clay look is lovely, but you may wish to paint your pendant with acrylic paint. You may also consider sealing the pendant with a coat of Mod Podge or another type of sealer to increase durability. To make your pendant into a necklace or ornament, fold the string into 2 and thread the folded end through the hole to create a loop. Thread the other end of the string through the loop. The dry clay is fragile, so handle with care. Wear the pendant as a necklace, hang it in the window, gift it to a loved one, or hang it on your Christmas tree.